Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 9. Gomawo, which means thanks in Korean. Again, our word for today is gomawo, which means thank you. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Therefore, we could use this to address our friends and the younger ones. How do we write gomawo in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable is go. This is written by joining first a gyeok character followed by an o character. The second syllable ma is written by drawing first a miem character followed by an a character. The third syllable wo is written by drawing first a no sound or a placeholder iyang followed by the u character followed by the o character. And then we just need to combine this to form the Hangul of the word gomawo. Now, if you could remember, we already discussed Gamsahamnida, and just like gomawo, Gamsahamnida is used to say thank you. But gomawo is used to informally say thank you to our friends and younger ones, while Gamsahamnida is a formal way of saying thank you, which we could use to address the older ones and the higher-ups. And with that, you've just learned gomawo. Now let's proceed to our word recap. Word number 1, Annyeong Haseyo. This is an informal way, but this is considered polite and casual way of saying hello. Word number 2 is Annyeong Hasimnikka. This is the formal way of saying hello in Korean. Word number 3 is Gamsahamnida. This is the formal way of saying thank you. Word number 4 is Joesonghamnida. This is a formal way of saying I'm sorry. Word number 5 is Jeogiyo. This is used to say excuse me, and this is also used to call the attention of someone. Word number 6 is Jamsimanyo. This is used to say just a second or just for a while, and we could also use this to pass through a crowd. Word number 7 is Annyeonghi Gyeseyo. This is used to say goodbye, but to be specific, this is used when you're staying and the others are leaving. Word number 8 is Annyeonghi Gyeseyo. This is also used to say goodbye, but this is used when you're leaving first and the others are staying. And our word for today, don't forget, word number 9, gomawo. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss Annyeong. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.